This dance is called Bottom of the Bottle. It's a 30 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance with 2 tags. So you're going to start on your right foot. Touch the right toe beside the left heel, so it's just slightly back of centre. Touch that right heel forward twice. Touch, touch. Now that's all going to be done on the 1 and 2 counts. So 1 and 2. Toe, heel, heel. Into a little weave, 1 and 2 count timing again, crossing the right behind the left, left to the side, cross the right over. There are a lot of and counts in this dance, so there's an awful lot of these and steps in there. We're going into another one of those combinations where we step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, step the right to the side. And then again, 1 and 2 count timing as you cross the left behind the right, make quarter of a turn right as you step that right forward, making sure you have turned your whole body, don't keep it twisted, step forward on the left. So like I said, a lot of and counts. And nearly all of these little combinations are 1 and 2 count timing. So that set of steps once more. Keep it slow to start with. Toe, heel, heel, off on that right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Now you're going into a coaster step, but this one is going to be done forwards. So you're used to doing a backward coaster step, back close step. It's a similar thing, but you just need to reverse it and do it forwards. So you're going to step the right forward, left beside the right, step the right back. So again, it's on this 1 and 2 count timing. Step back on the left, clap on the and count, step back on the right, clap on the and count. Into a normal coaster step, left foot leading, so you step the left back, right beside left, left forward. Again, 1 and 2 count timing. We'll finish this section off with a sugar foot, right foot leads. So you're going to touch your right toe to your left instep, pointing your knee inwards. But when you do that, make sure the knee does not project over the front of the toe. You need to be able to see your toe in that bent position. Touch the right heel forward, stomp that right forward, slightly across the left. It's a sugar foot, toe, heel, stomp. That set of steps once more then. Forward coaster step off on the right. 7, 8. Coaster step. Back, clap, coaster step. Toe, heel, stomp. Let's add that to the top. Toe, heel, heel, off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Coaster, step, back, clap, coaster, step, toe, heel, stomp. So we're going to do another sugar foot now with the left foot. So exactly the same principle applies. So you're going to touch that left toe to the right instep, bending that knee, still turning that knee slightly inwards. So remember, you still need to be able to see your toes. Touch the right left heel forward, stomp the left forward, just slightly across the right. We're then going into a back rumba box. So you're going to step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right back. Step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward. Step forward on the right, kick the left. Now the choreographer has actually said to make this a little bit of a bouncy, energetic, swingy sort of step. So you step and kick. Just be careful if you are dancing around other people that you don't actually hit somebody else when you're doing that kick. That set of steps once more then. Sugar foot off on the left. 7, 8, toe, heel, stomp, side, close, back, side, close, step, step, kick. Now that step kick at the end are slower. There's no and counts in those. So add that to the top. Toe, heel, heel off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Coaster, step, back, clap, coaster, step, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, side, close, back, side, close, step, step, kick. So from this kick position, you're going to step back on the left, touch the right beside the left, into some step lock steps. So you're going to step your right forward, lock the left behind the right, step the right forward, scuff the left into a left step lock. So you step the left forward, lock the right behind the left, step the left forward. Now you do tend to find on step lock steps you do travel slightly diagonally. That's just natural because of doing the lock steps. So that set of steps once more then from our kick, back touch off on the left. 7, 8, back, touch, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step. End of the dance when we get to that point. So let's put it all together. Toe, heel, heel off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Coaster, step, back, clap, coaster, step, toe, heel, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp, side, close, back, side, close, step, step, kick, back, touch, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step. So because there are quite a few and counts in this dance, I will now go through it with the counts so you can see exactly where they fit in. Toe, heel, heel off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So only 6 counts in the last section because it's a 30 count dance. So that is your dance. And hopefully you can see where all those and counts fit in. Now it is a 4-wall dance and the music is just a little bit faster. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls and I'll speed it up a little bit as we go around those remaining walls. Toe, heel, heel off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Coaster, step, back, clap, coaster, step. Toe, heel, stomp, side, close, back, side, close, step, step, kick, back, touch, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, behind, turn, step, coaster, step, back, clap, coaster, step, toe, heel, stop, toe, heel, stop, side, close, back, side, close, step, step, kick, back, touch, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, behind, turn, step, coaster, step, back, clap, coaster, step, toe, heel, stop, side, close, back, side, close, step, step, kick, back, touch, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step. So hopefully you managed to keep up with that. Now there are two little tags in this dance. They come at the ends of walls 3 and 6. So you will have just done your step, lock, step, step, lock, step. Your tag quite simply, stomp the right beside the left, stomp the left in place. Stomp, stomp. That's your tag. Now remember when you do your stomps, don't go down flat-footed, go down through the heel of the foot. Take some of those vibrations out from the body. So those are your tags, ends of walls 3 and 6. So wall 3 is our 6 o'clock wall. Let's dance wall 3, add on the tag and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Toe, heel, heel off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, behind, turn, step, coaster, step, back, clap, coaster, step, toe, heel, stomp, side, close, back, side, close, step, step, kick, back, touch, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, tag, stomp, stomp, toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross. So that is your tag. Stomp, stomp, single count timing at the end of walls 3 and 6. I'll shout them out when we get to it in the music. Otherwise, that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross. Side, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Coaster, step, back, coaster, step. Toe, heel, stop. Toe, heel, stop. Side, close, back. Side, close, step. Step, kick, back, touch, step, lock, step, lock, step. Toe, heel, heel, behind, side, cross. Side, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Coaster, step, back, coaster, step. Toe, heel, stop. Toe, heel, stop. Side, close, back. Side, close, step. Step, kick, back, touch, step, lock, step, lock, step. Toe, heel, tag ball. Side, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Coaster, step, back, coaster, step. Toe, heel, stop. Toe, heel, stop. Side, close, back. Side, close, step, kick, back, touch, step, lock, step, lock, step. Stomp, toe, heel, behind, side, cross. Side, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Coaster, step, back, touch, back, coaster, step. Toe, heel, stop. Toe, heel, stop. Side, close, back. Side, close, step, kick, back, touch, step, lock, step. Toe, heels. Coaster. Toe, heel, stop, straight foot. Back touch. Toe, heels. Your next tag wall. Coaster. Sugar foot. Back touch. Here we go. Stomp, stomp, toe heels. Coaster. Choreographed. Back touch. Toe heel. Coaster. Hope you managed that one.